Hey guys, Rebekah here, and I want to talk to you today real quick about the 3 hidden causes to fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue. The first one is heavy metals. The 2 biggest heavy metals that are affecting you the most are aluminum and mercury. Mercury, you're being exposed to that if you have fillings in your teeth, if you've had vaccinations, if you've ever eaten tuna, or you maybe eat fish a lot. Those are really prevalent ways to accumulate mercury in your body. Mercury crosses the blood-brain barrier and goes straight to your brain. It creates neurotoxicity, which then develops over time all those symptoms that you're having, the chronic fatigue and the pain all over the body, and other symptoms as well. The next heavy metal, aluminum, you're being exposed to that by cosmetics, foil, even your deodorant. If it has aluminum in it, those things are being absorbed directly into your blood, into your lymphatic system. It's burying deep into your tissues, and that's what could be causing a lot of those symptoms that you're having. What do you do about these heavy metals? Well, you need to detox, but you also need to limit the exposure to these toxins. The second thing is mold. Mold is tricky because sometimes you don't even know if you're being exposed to it, nor do you know if you have it in your body. So you need to get tested, and then you need to find out where you're getting that exposure from. Mold can live in your body for a long time, so it might have been from exposure long ago, or you might be being exposed to it currently in your own environment, in your home or at your job. So what do? You need to detox this mold out of your body, but even more, you need to remove it from you need to get it exterminated out of your house or wherever it is that you're being exposed to it. The third thing is root canals. 80%, if you have had a root canal, you're 80% likely to have a cavitation. That's an infection in the jawbone of that root canal area. What happens with that infection? It seeps into your body, and then you start to poison your tissues and also affects your gut health. So your mouth is directly linked to your intestinal tract. Your gut health starts in your mouth. So if you have infections going on in your mouth, it's going to infect your intestinal tract. Your intestinal tract is going to be irritated, IBS, all those other intestinal tract issues, and then from there you get leaky gut syndrome, then you get these autoimmune diseases, and you can even develop fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue from just your root canal. So what do you do about that? You go see a natural dentist. There is a website. That website is www.iaomt.org. That website is going to link you to different natural dentists in your area that can go see. They have special equipment to determine if you have a root canal, because you won't be able to see that with just regular tests at a regular dentist office. The x-rays that they do is not going to be able to test that. They have to have the specific machine to do that. And then they have to have the specific therapeutics to get rid of that. Usually light therapy is the best way to get rid of those infections. I hope this was helpful.